What's up, dude?
What's going on, buddy? Look at this.
Yes. Yeah, buddy.
Damn, look how good that looks. That's the whole LMR squad right there.
Yes, sir. Hey, would you see what he brought us? Come look.
What'd you bring?
Come
Dean,
look.
this is great, man.
Come look.
Look good?
So much. Yeah, it looks amazing. Wow, that's great.
You like it?
Oh man, it looks amazing.
Huh?
It should be a standard.
It should be a standard.
Oh,
What do you think?
It looks so much better on the car, dude.
It does, right?
It looks better on the car than it did in the picture.
I still gotta turn this turbo to get that on there.
Dean,
Oh, okay.
Fine.
It's a whole different.
It looks so good.
Damn.
They got it perfect. So, I mean, I think it looks good that, but imagine that thing red, blue, black, whatever we want.
Yeah.
I'm not a yellow guy, but the yellow and black looks pretty gangster.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's some Pittsburgh Steeler look right there, son. I like it.
Well, I just think black and red was a little too done.
I like it. Like I said, when I saw the yellow, that looks good.
It looks good. It pops.
It does, right?
Pops.
See, now you need to get the wheels.
Yeah.
Get the wheels. Yep.
Are you gonna do that?
Something cool.
Yeah.
Really?
I'm gonna do the welds in the back though.
Okay.
17 speed lock in the back.
Are we gonna go for a drive in this one today or what?
Yeah, dude.
Word.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna put the 360 in there.
Hey, are me and him gonna go or what?
Yeah.
We got the brackets too.
We got a driver, Sam. We got a driver.
Let's send it.
Let's go ahead and hit.
Why you look nervous, Frankie? Now you got me nervous. He's gonna think he's fast, but he's gonna soon find out how fast his car really is.
I don't think I tuned this car.
No, this was before you got there. I think it's just a standard Reaper 700 horsepower package with the stage 4 cam in it.
Okay.
It's got the aggressive cam, which is a nightmare in a parking lot. But
yeah, I might be able to smooth some of it out if I mess with it. I'm pretty. These cars are like my forte. I've owned 3 of them. I have currently this. Well, actually, I still do have the C6 NA record for a C6 and a half mile.
oh wow.
My 181 and a half NA.
Yeah, I might need you to help me with the rear tire setup.
Okay. The tires on it now?
Just some stock.
Okay.
200, yeah.
Yeah. Most guys, if you're not looking to purely drag race it, most guys would throw a Toyo R8 R2
That's
on there.
what I was wanting to do. I know I want that, but I need to know what wheel setup I'm doing.
Yeah.
Lock.
I mean, they'll hook this car decently.
Okay.
So
that's what I heard. I heard those are the best ones.
for something that still handles decent, well, obviously they handle good. It's a road race tire. There's also the Toyo RR, which is more of a pure road race tire, which has got basically just 2 grooves down it. But I don't know. I don't know if they come in that size. Most guys end up running just a 315 3517. That's all they run. It's smaller, but you run a Mickey Thompson or a
So you don't
drag.
think you should do a 345?
The problem is the wheel's only 11-inch, so it's look kind of bulbous on it. You know what I mean?
Oh.
Yeah, I mean if you can
on
find
the sidewall.
Yeah, I mean if you can find something that they make it 335 3517.
And it looks better.
Yeah, if you had like a 12-inch wheel.
Okay.
You know.
So yeah, I think the next move was E85.
Okay.
Keeping it in A for now.
E85 is worth
Is it?
about 15 horsepower. It's not huge on this setup. So if you run like almost, if you bump the compression way up, it is help. But E85 is a funky fuel. When you're just like at light load, low fuel volume, it's actually not, it's not as stable as pump gas.
Right.
When you enrich it and use a lot of it, then it's more stable.
Pretty sure my injectors are maxed out right now.
Oh yeah, you need new injectors. Yeah, 100%.
Fuel pump too.
Yeah, the fuel pump, not only is it questionable on volume, but the pump itself fails on the 85. It will eventually fail.
It'll eventually.
Yeah,
it's corrosive or?
Yeah, the pump isn't designed for it, and I mean, so I did my car, one of my 08 Vet, I did, and it was good, and then one day on the road course, it was like, and the fuel pressure was dropping. I'm like, what the fuck? And the pump just died.
Yeah.
And then I did another car, and he's died like 2 weeks later. So it's not a matter of if, but one day they'll fail in the fuel. But luckily, you can drop in like a Walbro 450, which is very similar design to the factory pump, and modify the bucket very slightly, and then you're pretty good from there.
So if I was to do a spray setup, what would you recommend? 100 or 150?
Stock short block.
It is a stock block. Yeah, that's the problem. It's super thin, right?
Yeah, and I definitely wouldn't run E85 with nitrous. Just not a good
Yeah.
mix.
Okay, so it's one or the other.
Yeah.
So max boost though, like 5 or 6.
If you were to do like a blower on it, is that what you're talking about? Like a
Yeah.
supercharger? I probably run. If you do like a 4 fuel system with flex fuel, you can probably run 7-8 pounds max.
With a stock block.
Stock. I've done it. I run like an A&A kit with like a TI trim
Safely,
blower.
like you're not gonna blow anything up.
Yeah, I do like an A&A kit. I run a TI trim blower, 8 pounds of boost, 4 fuel system, flex fuel. They make about 800 and something to the tire.
Okay.
About there.
The pollen is insane today.
Oh my god, dude, it was bad on. Forgot what day it was.
The whole car is coated in yellow.
I know. I just bought a TRX and the fucking thing is the fucking hood. The silver is like yellow now. All right. Ready?
Send it.
Traction control. I can pull the timing out of it. They hooked up right there, so we'll
Yeah,
try.
they did. Yeah,
We'll
they
try
did a lot
first.
better than I thought I was gonna do.
We'll do it again. Well, I had competitive driving on, so it usually lets you spin a little bit going forward and not.
I do not fuck with that button yet.
Yeah, I normally shut everything off, but it's not my car, so I'm not going to do that today. I used to road race, so when I road race, it would fight you all the time.
Oh, yeah, you gotta have it.
Yeah, it was you doing the turn, it'll start like jerking you, and start. You know, what it'll do is it'll kill the brakes on the car because it's biting the brakes to try to keep the car stable.
The active handling's a problem.
Yeah, so it'll burn up the
handling and
brakes.
traction control.
Yeah.
That's stock. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing the exhaust mod.
Oh, open it up.
Yeah, open it up, put the sleeves on.
Just make it a little louder.
Yeah, I like the baffle cutout though. I don't want to get rid of that.
Oh, the dual mode.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, of course, I made the extreme, but still had that.
That'd be nice.
Oh my god, I'd buy it in a heartbeat.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. B&B had a lot of problems with their Fusion exhaust, with the vacuum actuated ones.
Okay.
For a long time, they would rattle. They would, you know, just a bunch of weird stuff would happen to this guy, dude.
Yeah, I know.
Then the poppy seeds came out one year, super big, and they were like, people from LA were coming, and they're stopping on. When
So if there's blue bonnets on the side of the highway, you know, because it's a wildflower, you will see vans pulled over with the whole family's getting out to do a photo op.
Oh Jesus.
Yeah, I was looking about that magnetic ride. I was looking to see if there was a way to do a Z07 package.
That's what I was thinking.
They didn't start coming out with those till I think 2010, if I'm not mistaken.
I think it was 2011.
2011.
I think it might have. Don't quote me though.
Yeah,
but
if there's a way that I could throw all that on, like a Z07 package, what'd you do for brakes on yours?
Mine, I bought mine. Okay, so my 08 has factory brakes, but I had good rotors, and I road raced it. I had ST47 road race, Bestest road race pads on it. Sounded like hell coming to a stop, but man, it didn't stop. No, they weren't ceramic. They were like a race compound. No clutches in this?
It's a stock clutch.
Yeah.
I mean, I was talking to Steve about it, and I told him maybe I should just keep the stock one, burn this one out, and then get the McLeod.
It's getting
after.
worn, I can tell you that much.
It's what?
I can tell it's starting to wear. It's getting to that point. Yeah, because
that's the parking lots, I bet.
Well, because when I let up the clutch, it's engaging at the very, very top. You notice how it engages at the very top. Normally, don't quote me,
but it was doing that when I got it though.
And it might be fine then. Sometimes when they engage really high like that, it's normally an indication that the disc is wearing. So okay,
I thought it might have been like a setting or something that the previous owner did or something like that. But
nothing to adjust.
Yeah.
See this right here?
Yeah, I feel like it comes out way too far for me.
Well, see how the clutch, like watch, so the clutch is in right now, I'm gonna drive it. I'll keep going. This is the gear.
Yeah.
Put the clutch in. Oh, that one was better at the time. But if you're in gear, well, you're not doing it. It's a way.
Get the RPMs enough to keep it
and the car rolls very easy.
What's the exhaust that's in this red one?
I don't know. I didn't hear it.
Missing in the back. I wanted to see if it was just like
no diff in it
open
right now.
headers or something.
There's no diff in it right now. So. Yeah, it wasn't as nice a video as possible, but it didn't want to really cooperate on that one shift. So if it keeps doing that, bring it back. I'll log it and I'll see what's going on.
Yeah, we should do another dyno pretty soon anyway. Because I literally cannot decide what to do. I don't know if I need to do the Pro Charger, switch out the block, or
I'd probably do fuel cell up front with waste gas in it, keep it on, and then run 93 octane and on the motor, put C16 in the fuel cell, run 100 shot. It'll be just as quick as a blower car, almost guaranteed. It won't make as much power, but A to B, it'll be quicker.
Okay, yeah. My goal is to get just 800 NA if it's possible.
NA?
Well,
no, you need a big boy engine for that. You want 800 NA? Give us like 50, 60 grand.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you right now, it's not for the faint of heart. You could drive it.
Yeah, see, that's not for that. You wouldn't make that a street car.
No, I mean, I drive it around, but it wouldn't be a DD.
That's the thing. I want a street car.
Yeah,
it's not a daily driver, but
you could. I drove my car on the street, but
highway pulls.
Highway pulls. It was nasty.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was reliable. It was just rowdy.
Yeah.
The best way to describe it. It was just rowdy, and now it makes even more power than the engine.
Yeah.
So I went lighter pistons, more camshaft.
I'm okay with it being overly aggressive because I don't daily drive it.
Yeah.
Because anytime I'm in this car, I'm already in a good mood.
We can make some more power, and I have some tricks to do it.
All right.